In a distant kingdom surrounded by glistening mountains and sparkling rivers, lived the most enchanting little princess, Barbie. With her golden hair that shimmered like sunlight and a smile that warmed every heart in the land, Barbie had a secret she had never shared with anyone. Beyond the castle's rose garden, hidden behind a grand oak tree, lay a magical portal that led to her secret world. This secret world was no ordinary place. It was a land where rainbows stretched endlessly across the sky, animals spoke with wisdom, and the stars twinkled even during the day. Barbie had discovered it accidentally when she was just 5 years old, chasing a butterfly that seemed to glow. Now at 10 years old, Barbie had grown into a curious, kind, and brave little girl. She often visited her secret world to play with her magical friends and explore its wonders. But one day, everything changed. The mystery of the fading colors. It was a bright morning when Barbie felt a strange pull toward the portal. She slipped out of the castle, wearing her favorite sparkling gown and a pair of butterfly-shaped shoes. As she reached the grand oak tree, she noticed something unusual. The glowing portal looked dim. Barbie stepped inside, and to her shock, her vibrant secret world seemed to be losing its colors. The bright flowers drooped, the blue rivers turned gray, and the usually cheerful animals looked worried. Barbie knelt beside Daisy, the wise rabbit who always greeted her. "Daisy, what's happening? Why does everything look so dull?" Daisy twitched her long ears nervously. "Princess Barbie, the colors of our world are fading because the crystal of harmony is weakening." "The crystal of harmony?" Barbie asked. "It is the heart of our world," explained Daisy. "Its glow keeps our magic alive, but someone has stolen a piece of it. Without it, our world will soon wither away." Barbie's heart sank. She couldn't let her secret world disappear. "Don't worry, Daisy. I'll find the missing piece and restore the crystal." The start of a magical adventure. With a determined heart, Barbie set off toward the Crystal Palace, where the crystal was kept. Along the way, her friends joined her: Blossom, the playful hummingbird; Leo, the courageous lion cub; and Misty, the elegant unicorn with a shimmering silver mane. The journey wasn't easy. The once bright paths were now shrouded in mist, and strange shadows lurked around them. But Barbie's bravery shone like a beacon. "We'll face whatever comes our way, together," she said, inspiring her friends. As they reached the Crystal Palace, a magical voice echoed. "Who dares to enter my domain?" A majestic figure appeared. It was Seraphina, the guardian of the Crystal Palace, with wings as radiant as the sun. "Princess Barbie, why have you come?" Barbie stepped forward. "Guardian Seraphina, I've come to restore the crystal of harmony. Please guide me to the missing piece." Seraphina's gaze softened. The piece was stolen by the shadow sorcerer, who resides in the dark caverns. Only a pure heart can retrieve it, for the sorcerer's magic is powerful. Barbie nodded. "I will go, no matter how dangerous it is." The dark caverns. The journey to the dark caverns was filled with challenges. Barbie and her friends had to cross a river of whispers, where the water tried to lure them with false promises. Barbie's quick thinking and kind words helped them stay focused. Finally, they reached the entrance to the caverns, where the air felt heavy with magic. Inside, they found glowing crystals and eerie shadows that seemed alive. Barbie held Misty's mane tightly, feeling both scared and determined. At the heart of the cavern, they found the shadow sorcerer, a tall figure cloaked in darkness, holding the missing piece of the crystal. "Why have you come?" hissed the sorcerer. Barbie stepped forward, her voice steady. "I've come to take back the piece of the crystal of harmony. This world deserves its colors and magic." The sorcerer laughed. "What makes you think you can defeat me, little princess?" Barbie's heart swelled with courage. "Because love and kindness are stronger than any darkness. The power of a pure heart." Barbie's words seemed to light up the cavern. The shadows retreated as a soft glow surrounded her. The sorcerer hesitated, then spoke in a softer tone. "Why would you risk so much for this world?" "Because this world has given me happiness and friendship," Barbie said. "It's my responsibility to protect it." For a moment, the sorcerer's form flickered. A tear fell from the dark hood, and the sorcerer revealed themselves to be Luna, a misunderstood fairy who had lost her own world. "I only took the crystal piece because I felt alone," Luna confessed. Barbie smiled warmly. "Luna, you don't have to be alone. Join us, and together we can make this world even more beautiful." Touched by Barbie's kindness, Luna handed over the crystal piece. The cavern filled with a dazzling light as the crystal was restored, restoring the colors. Barbie and her friends returned to the Crystal Palace, where Serafina placed the piece back into the crystal of harmony. A brilliant light spread across the secret world, bringing back its vibrant colors and joy. The flowers bloomed brighter than ever, the rivers sparkled, and the animals danced with delight. Barbie's heart swelled with happiness as she looked at her magical friends. Luna, now a friend, stood beside her. "Thank you, Princess Barbie. You've shown me the true power of kindness." A new beginning. Barbie returned to her castle, knowing her secret world was safe once more. She realized that bravery wasn't about being fearless, but about standing up for what you love. From that day on, Barbie continued to visit her secret world, not just to play, but to ensure it remained a place of wonder and magic for everyone. And so, the little princess's secret world thrived, a testament to the power of love, courage, and kindness.